And there's a person. Wow, these are awesome. And a boat. Ships. Vikings. Hunting scenes. Good morning internet, it is 7:10 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another breakfast that I'm having. And well, I just spent the night practically on North Cape. I am about 11 kilometers south. Unfortunately, no northern lights last night. I was a little bit sad about that because seeing northern lights has been on my list for a very long time and I still haven't seen them. But, you know, maybe that's just another reason to come back in this area in wintertime and properly see the northern lights. It's another beautiful day, look at it. See, there's Ronin. And I've been told here by the locals that this weather is very unusual around here. So I'm really quite lucky. This is also the last day, so I've just been here just really lucky with the weather, but from tomorrow there's going to be a lot of rain coming and I don't know, fog, mist, clouds, snow, I don't know. It's good that I'm leaving today and I'm riding south from now, back towards a little bit higher temperatures as the winter is coming here. Today I'm riding to Tromsø, and after my breakfast I'll show you exactly on the map where that is. Okay, so here we have Norway. Oh. And I'm now at the far tip here at North Cape, and today I'm riding to, where was it? Here, Tromsø. And I'm going to make a stop somewhere along the way to see something interesting, and over here I'm going to ride through or over these fjords, and I'm going to take, I think, 2 ferries if possible. If not, I have to ride all the way around. But if I manage to take the ferries, it's 500 kilometers, and if not, I have to take the long way and then it's about 600 kilometers. So I'm just looking out of my window and look. The reindeer are just walking past here. It's a windy morning though. Beautiful. I hope you can hear me with all this wind. So my first stop is 230 kilometers from here, which is a place called Alta, and I passed it on the way up and I'm coming back the same way, so now I have time to check it out. Again. Normally I never like if I have to backtrack and ride something twice, but in this case I do not mind at all. It's actually just a privilege to ride this road twice, to be honest. I arrived in Alta. Here it is.
Turn right, then turn left.
This is the trail that I have to follow. So I'm now visiting another UNESCO World Heritage Site, and this site was only discovered in 1973. So it's fairly recent that we know it's here.
Eat this.
Ah, you cannot eat it?
No.
Ah, okay.
I don't remember the name.
What are you collecting then?
No, it was blueberry.
Ah, blueberry. Ah, okay.
And now I go to look for raspberry.
Ah, okay.
I think it's too early.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Hi. Right,
Where
good
do you
luck.
come from?
From the Netherlands.
Oh,
Yeah. With a motorbike.
motorbike. Alone or?
Alone. Yeah.
Oh. Then you can decide yourself.
Wherever I go.
where you
Exactly.
go
Exactly.
and the speed.
Yeah. Beautiful colors around here, right? All the reds and the greens and the yellows. Stunning. Ah, yeah, here are the first carvings. Can you see them? Oh, I can see reindeer. See it? And there. And there at the top. Oh, this is so cool. Can't believe I'm the only one here. What a cool place. Look at this. And they found 50 paintings and more than 6,000 carvings. Incredible. Look, there's more here. Oh no, and moose, I think. This must be moose. Oh, and there's a person. Wow, these are awesome. Ah, and a boat. Ships. Vikings. Hunting scenes. And this obviously reminds me of those paintings that I saw in Argentina, in Patagonia. And those were older. You remember the hand paintings? I believe those were 9,000 years old. So they were much older than these ones, but I just like to imagine that at the same time that people were making rock paintings and carvings all the way down south in Patagonia, at the same time they were all the way up north doing similar things. That's just fascinating. That these people were doing this practically on the other side of the world, almost at the same time, without knowing of each other's existence, probably. How cool is that? Took my rain jacket off. It's not necessary anymore. Temperatures are perfect now. So it is 200 kilometers riding to the next, well, stop really, because there I'm going to catch a ferry, and then it'll be a little bit of riding, and then again a ferry, and then riding. That is the idea. Okay, let's see if we can take a ferry here to go across the fjord. Not sure how long I have to wait here. Ah, it goes in 20 minutes. That's not bad. Hi. Can I buy a ticket?
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you. Hi. Not sure where I have to go. Where do you want it?
Yeah.
Just over there? don't feel so much as a tourist at the moment, because the owner of the place where I stayed in North Cape, he said that they also always take the ferry if they go to where was I going now? Tromsø. I already forgot. Because yeah, it saves 120 kilometers of riding, and it's just beautiful. I thought to take the ferry. What amazing weather, unbelievable, really. Everybody that is on board here, or most of them, will go to the next ferry, unless you live here, of course. Not a bad place to live at all. I think I see the ferry over there. That must be it. Bye. Look at the state of Ronin. Look at this. Oh, so filthy. Here. Ugh. And I am in Tromsø, and this is my lovely, very wide room. I feel like I cannot touch anything because I don't know exactly when it happened, but I've been riding somewhere with a lot of dust or dirt or whatever, but Ronin is covered, and well, so am I. But what a great day. The weather was just unreal. Really nice. I enjoyed it. I'm a little bit tired now. It's in the end it was a long day because of the ferries that I had to wait for. So it's now like 6 o'clock. So yeah, all in all it was a long day again. But I really enjoyed it, and just arriving here in Tromsø, it looks really cool. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.